Hey, you looking to see how to make a dill cucumber tomato salad? I'm going to show you how to do it. No fancy intro. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to cut our English cucumbers in half. You want to make sure that you scrape the insides of the cucumber out. This has a lot of seeds in it, and this is going to pull some of the moisture out to keep the salad consistency appropriate. Then you're going to cut the cucumbers in half and put those into a bowl. Add some sea salt, and the sea salt is going to help pull some more moisture out of the cucumbers. We're going to mix that around, and we're going to come back to those later. Put those to the side. Prep the rest of your veggies. So we're using some tomatoes and some red onion. Put both of those into a bowl, and then we're going to start working on the dill dressing. So we're going to put some black pepper into the Greek yogurt, red wine vinegar, and some fresh dill. Mix all of those ingredients around, and we're almost done. So back to those cucumbers. Now you're gonna dry those out. Put those cucumbers on a paper towel, and you're gonna squeeze out the moisture of those cucumbers. And you're gonna put them back into a bowl, and you can see that there's a lot of water that we just pulled out of those cucumbers. Add in your red onion, add in the tomatoes, and now it's time to marry everything together with our dill dressing. So just scrape all of the nooks and crannies out of your bowl. We're gonna make sure that you get all that goodness in there. And you're gonna mix this around. Just simply mix it thoroughly, that every piece has some of the dressing on the salad. So there it is, folks. There's your fresh dill cucumber tomato salad. Easy ingredients, simple, doesn't take a lot of time. And I ate this with some air fried catfish. The link to this video on how to make this air fried catfish will be in the description with some homemade tartar sauce. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Much love, much respect, and peace.